Welcome to our channel. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. If you've ever wondered what do a cell and an atom have in common, stay tuned because this video is for you. Cells are the fundamental units of living organisms. Every living being, from tiny bacteria to humans, is made up of cells. But what makes a cell so special? Basic structure of a cell. Nucleus. This is where the DNA resides, the instruction manual that directs all the cell's activities. Cytoplasm. A gel-like fluid where essential processes, such as energy production, take place. Cell membrane. A layer that protects the cell and controls what enters and exits it. Cell diversity. Prokaryotic cells, like bacteria, lack a nucleus but are still incredibly efficient. Eukaryotic cells, like those in your body, have a well-defined nucleus and specialized organelles that allow them to perform complex tasks. Vital functions. Cells are tiny factories that produce energy, eliminate waste, and generate the proteins necessary for life. Without cells, life would not exist. Now, let's switch scales and talk about atoms, the smallest particles of a chemical element that still retain its properties. Structure of an atom. Protons, positively charged particles located in the nucleus. Neutrons, neutral particles also found in the nucleus that help stabilize it. Electrons, negatively charged particles that orbit the nucleus, creating an electron cloud. Formation of molecules. Atoms don't act alone. They bond through chemical interactions, forming molecules such as water, H2O, which is vital for life. These molecules then create larger structures like proteins, minerals, and much more. A fun fact: did you know the atoms that make up your body are the same ones that have existed since the universe's formation? You are quite literally made of stardust. Although cells and atoms belong to different worlds, they share some similarities. Both are basic units, cells in living organisms and atoms in matter. They form larger structures. Cells create tissues and organs, while atoms form molecules and compounds. Differences. Cells are living and carry out complex biological processes, such as reproduction and respiration. Atoms are non-living, yet they are essential to form the chemical substances that make life possible. In terms of size, an atom is vastly smaller than a cell. In fact, an average cell contains trillions of atoms. Connection between cells and atoms. Everything that happens inside a cell depends on the interaction of atoms and molecules, from protein creation to energy production. Without atoms, there would be no cells. Cells and atoms are two fundamental pieces in the grand puzzle of existence. While cells are the living units that build organisms, atoms are the non-living particles that construct everything else. Together, they create a delicate balance that makes life possible. Now, here's a question for you to reflect on. What do you think would be more fascinating to explore? The microscopic world of cells or the subatomic realm of atoms? Let us know your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and activate the notification bell for more content.